following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Grundy and Will. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour will cause whiteout conditions in blowing snow. Significant drifting of the snow is likely. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches, with localized amounts up to 10 inches, are expected. Where? Grundy and Will counties. When? Until 9 a.m. Monday. Conditions will likely ramp up mid-evening and overnight. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. Snow-covered roads and significantly reduced visibility are expected. Snowfall rates in excess of 2 inches per hour are expected. This snow is expected to be very heavy and will be difficult to shovel. The strong winds and heavy snow may cause falling tree limbs and possible power outages. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.